Hey, Steve Zonardi here with Treviso Realty. Happy Monday morning. Got my son in today. We're just, what do you got planned for today, Nico? You got to talk loud or, bro, the microphone can't catch you. Talk loud.
We have a podcast due today.
Nice. Okay. We're doing a podcast today about Nico's experience here in Florida. But quick update on the current market, 19,723 units, so up 200 units since last week. Again, as we're going into snowbird season, you're going to have to see a pickup in inventory, which is fine. We've also seen a pickup in sales. Last week, I had 389 sales with 481 this week, so almost 100 more sales in 7 days. Again, it doesn't seem like a lot, but when you put it into percentage form, it's like 22% more sales in the last 7 days. And then if you get into Estero, we're at 791 units, so just, again, an additional 30 units raised since last week. But we've doubled the amount of sales, so it's almost like 100% more sales in the last 7 days. So just to kind of give you that forefront. With the builders, we're seeing, obviously, these guys are trying to knock out deals. I haven't negotiated one that's closing in November yet, so I have all clients that are coming in, but we're usually closing after into December, into Jan, so I haven't had the opportunity to see how far I can drive these prices down. So if you are looking for a property for a lowest price, November, clearly you have it until the end of this month to really snag a really great deal. So if you are interested in buying new construction out here in Southwest Florida, let us know. We'd be happy to help you guys and see how far we can drive these prices down so you get a better deal. That's pretty much it. Oh, inventory got released. I just want to talk to you about this real quick. And let's see what we got here. So we did our traditional markets. Bonita Estero, this is sort of like a flavor, so you get an idea. Bonita Estero, Fort Myers, Naples Park, and Cape Coral. Because they paint Cape Coral as the worst market in the world, but let's just look at inventory. So remember, inventory should start picking up, and what we've checked off here is just single family and townhomes. Condos and manufacturers we don't deal with. Condos, it's a whole different market. It should never be kind of shoved into one market, because if someone's looking for a condo, they're not looking for a house, and vice versa. And if someone's looking for a condo, if you can find affordability in a house, they're going to buy a house rather than a condo. So condo is usually a specific buyer, so that's why I never join them together, because they don't make sense to me to combine them, to blend them. But look at the inventory now. So in Bonita Estero, we're at 5 months. So as of September, we're at 5.2 months. In October, went down to 5 months. And if you looked at Fort Myers 5.9, and now it's 5.8, so not a big drop off. Anyways, the biggest drop off was Naples Park, which was 11 months of inventory, and now it's 9.4 months, which is still kind of high, but again, getting lower and lower, where you're going to start seeing those products get more expensive and unaffordable, because you can still probably buy a teardown. I haven't looked in a while. Teardown between $750, and then in the earlier months of this year, you could have got something like that for like $650, like a teardown, or a property you just want to renovate and Airbnb. But now they're getting pricier, because land was just based at $600,000 in the past, where it's just empty parcels of land for like $600,000 to $700,000. So just kind of give you an idea there. Cape Coral, 6.2 down to 5.8 months of inventory. That's fantastic, because again, we're going to be listing our property come Jan, Feb. Hopefully our tenants buy it if they are interested. It'd be great. We can kind of just wrap that up quick and then just kind of move the money out and keep it working. But that's pretty much it. Weather's fantastic. Birds are coming in. You're seeing all these great truck transports with dropping off vehicles, so we're getting the regular snowbirds in town, which is great. Also, another article a client from New York sent me regarding Canadians selling off their real estate here in the U.S. and just because of the tariffs and all that stuff. It's a slim majority. I got to be honest. Do we get cases? Yeah, we want to sell because we have hurt feelings. Yeah, but it's not like. Actually, we've sold more houses to Canadians this year than any other year since we started this endeavor here in Florida. So just to kind of give you some perspective on that, we've had way more sales this year with Canadians than in the past prior to tariffs, just to kind of give you a perspective on what we're feeling here. But that's pretty much it. Have a great day, guys. If you have any questions regarding real estate, give me a call. Thanks.